Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Home and delete linked payment and subscriptions, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Home from your device, start by locating the app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap and hold the Google Home icon. Select the option that appears to uninstall or remove the app. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted to ensure it is deleted from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, the next step is to delete any linked payment methods. Open your Google Play Store app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Then, choose Payment Methods to view all linked payment options. To remove a payment method, click on the one you wish to delete. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal of that payment method. After updating your payment methods, you will want to check your subscriptions. In the Payments and Subscriptions menu, select My Subscriptions. Here, you will see all active subscriptions linked to your Google. To cancel a subscription, tap on the subscription you wish to manage. Follow the prompts to cancel it, ensuring that it is no longer active. Now that you've uninstalled the app and adjusted your payment and subscription settings, double-check your Google account. Open your web browser and navigate to account.google.com. Log into the account associated with the Google Home app. In your account settings, go to the Security section. Check the third-party apps with account access to revoke access from any apps you no longer wish to use. Find Google Home in the list, click on it, and then select Remove Access. Finally, ensure that your data is handled as per your privacy preferences. Review the data settings to tailor your Google experience to your liking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.